Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about the ODODOS Mini Belt Bag. I bought this just so when I don't feel like carrying a whole actual purse, this is just super convenient. It is 5.5 inches by 3 inches wide, and it is a mini bag, but it'll fit my phone, it fits my keys, it'll fit my wallet. It's actually pretty roomy in there. This on the inside, it has this big pocket on the top, and then inside it does have two separate pockets on each side that are just kind of netting. And so you can really keep your things separate. It's not all gonna be jumbled together. On the back, it does have another little zipper pocket, which is really nice. You can wear this as a crossbody bag. You can wear it across your back. You can wear it as a fanny pack, however you wanna wear it. It is adjustable, so you can change up if you want to wear it on your waist or around your chest. It does have this little buckle right here also, so it's really easy to take off. You just unhook it instead of having to pull it up over your head and mess up your hair or whatever you're doing with it. Also, I think this is so perfect for like concerts, airport. I've worn this to the airport multiple times when I don't want to have to carry my purse. This will keep all my things just on me at all times. This would be great for like going on walks or biking, anything like that where you'd want to be kind of hands-free and not have a whole actual purse. It is also waterproof, so it's going to keep all your things safe. I love that. So if you're doing stuff outdoors, you don't have to worry about your phone or your wallet or anything getting damaged. So if you're in the market for something like this that's just cute and trendy and simple, I think that this would be absolutely perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.